Hi.
Alright, so I got Mr. Lucas the beekeeper out here. He's helping us add some foundation, wax foundation to some frames. So we do this. These are Lands frames. We also do this to some of our honeycomb. Alright, bud, go ahead and do it. It's real easy. We just have a little charger for like a laptop, like an old one, and you strip down the end and then you put them on where the wires go, and the wires will come through. It takes about 10 seconds, but as you can see, you're starting to. All right, take it off. And see, that's how you embed them. They're real simple to do. The bees will build that out. So again, these are like the Lands frames. We're installing some Lands hives, some more of them. I really like those frames, but we'll get this one wired up. All right, bring it over here, dude. Gotta make sure these things are tight. Nope, do this one first. Alright, so we got these tensioned up. You just want to get them as tight as you can. It makes it easier. Alright, but I put the wax sheet in there. So you set the wax sheet down. We prop it up on a brick like this. Make sure the wax sheet is as flat as you can get it. Alright, now take the wires, dude. The nails are up here. And it just heats it up. And then you can kind of take your hand down a little bit just to make sure that they go through. Alright, take it off. And that's all that it takes right there. And then that is how you set the foundation in and stuff. And like I said, it's just so simple. You can get an old battery, like a laptop charger, and then you cut the end off that plugs like into the computer and expose the black and red wire. And I think this one's like a, I'll have to look, I think it's a 15 volt and 4 amp or something like that. If you use it too high, it'll just burn the wax. It'll melt real quick and stuff. So use a small one, but it works out pretty well. So we got a bunch more to do. There he is. All right, y'all be keeping a drill out there. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.